Have you ever wondered what makes a woman instantly attractive to men? According to psychology and relationship experts, there are certain traits that can make a woman irresistible to the majority of men. It's not just about the way she looks. In fact, some of the most appealing qualities in a woman have nothing to do with physical appearance. Pay close attention until the end of this video to discover 7 things that make women instantly attractive to men. Genuine confidence. Confidence can make a big impact on how attractive a woman is perceived by others, especially in the context of attracting a romantic partner. There is a difference between fake confidence and genuine confidence, and it is said that men are able to distinguish between the two. Genuine confidence, which is a sign of security and maturity, is highly attractive to men. A woman who is confident in herself is more likely to have healthy relationships, as she is less likely to be needy or clingy. Men are naturally drawn to a woman who is confident enough to be herself and doesn't try to be someone she thinks they want her to be. This type of confidence is attractive to the right man. To cultivate this attractive quality in oneself, one must work on their confidence, be honest with themselves, set boundaries, and learn to love the person they see in the mirror. When genuine confidence is achieved, a lot of things will naturally fall into place. Boldness. It is suggested that taking healthy risks can make a woman more attractive to men. This type of risk-taking doesn't involve putting yourself in dangerous situations, but instead it simply means stepping outside of your comfort zone and be open to new things. Men are drawn to women who are adventurous and willing to try new things. So, if you are trying to attract the right person, don't hesitate to take some calculated risks. This could mean going on an adventure, learning a new skill, or trying something you've never done before. At the end of the day, a fearless attitude can be irresistible to the right man. It showcases that a woman is comfortable with herself and isn't afraid to explore new things and push her boundaries. This can also demonstrate a level of maturity and stability, which is important in any relationship. Additionally, taking risks can bring excitement and energy into a relationship, which can help keep things fresh and engaging. So, don't be afraid to take a chance and be open to new experiences, as it can greatly increase your chances of attracting the right person. Intelligence. Intelligence is a quality that is highly desirable in a partner, according to research conducted by a team of scientists. The study showed that men were more likely to rate women as attractive when they demonstrated their knowledge and intelligence. Furthermore, the men in the study were more likely to express interest in dating women who scored highly on the intelligence test. This doesn't mean that you need to have a degree or read every single book available, but it does indicate that men are attracted to women who have common sense. If you want to increase your appeal to men, make sure you are showcasing your intelligence and sharing your knowledge on various topics. Humor. Having a sense of humor is a crucial aspect in any relationship, as it not only helps in diffusing conflicts and reducing tensions, but also provides a source of shared joy and laughter. A recent study found that having a good sense of humor is a major factor in determining romantic attraction. According to this research, men rated women who were able to make them laugh as more attractive than those who did not. The results of this study indicate that having a good sense of humor can significantly increase one's appeal to the opposite gender. So, if you are looking to improve your romantic prospects, having a good sense of humor is definitely going to make you instantly appealing. Kindness. Kindness is an important quality that is universally attractive to men all around the world. The thing is, men are naturally protective and want to provide for those they care about, and when they see a woman who is kind and compassionate, it activates these instincts. At the same time, honesty is also a quality that men find attractive. They respect a woman who is honest, upfront, and unafraid to speak her mind. These qualities are the foundation of any lasting relationship and are key to finding lasting love. If you are looking to attract a man, it's important to focus on being kind and genuine and to exhibit these qualities in your relationships and interactions with others. By doing so, you will be more likely to attract the right kind of person into your life and build a meaningful connection with them. Playfulness. A playful personality can be a very attractive quality for men. They are drawn to women who are fun, loving, energetic, and upbeat. A woman who has a playful personality exudes confidence and security in herself, which is appealing to men. Additionally, a playful personality can lead to a more exciting relationship, as a woman is more likely to be spontaneous and unpredictable. If you are looking to attract a man, focus on having a playful demeanor, letting your sense of humor shine through, and not taking yourself too seriously. Be open to new experiences and willing to try new things. Remember that men are attracted to positive energy, so it's important to have an optimistic and cheerful outlook on life. Independency. To most men, independence is a highly attractive trait in a woman. A woman who knows what she wants and goes after it is the type of woman that men admire and desire to be with. Femininity and independence are not incompatible and can actually complement each other really well. A woman who is feminine and strong on her own possesses a powerful inner strength that is highly attractive to men. To attract the right kind of man, it's important to cultivate your own independence. Pursue your goals, follow your passions, and live your life on your own terms. Men will be drawn to your confident and self-assured attitude, and you will soon have plenty of potential partners to choose from. If you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.